Morning everyone, welcome to this session number 332 and well, I will continue with this training. In this session I will try to solve this problem, is the walls and gates. Yesterday I checked, but to be honest, yesterday I was tired. Yeah, but well, I will try in this session to solve, and the idea is that you have this matrix and you have three types of values in the matrix. The first is less one, that is a wall or an obstacle, that is for example this. The zero means that the gate, yeah, and the infinity, yeah, this number means that empty, yeah, basically it's a slot where you can cross, and you can move in the four direction: left, right, top and bottom, and fill each empty room with the distance to its nearest gate. If it's possible to reach a gate, it should be filled with infinitive. Okay, yeah. Okay. Now, okay. Mm. Okay, let me check. Sorry, let me check the constraints. Rooms m it's equal rooms dot length, and it's equal rooms in index I dot length. Okay, it's not a square matrix, right? Could be, but not all the time. It's not mandatory. M and N both are greater equal 1 and minor equal 250. And the rooms in the, well, every slot can have the less 1, 0, and the infinity. Yeah. Okay. For this problem, again, I remember to solve another problem very similar like this, but in this case it's different, because in the other problem basically is, okay, you are here, search the short path. Yeah, in this case, for example, it's 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yeah, this is the short path to reach this. But in this case is in the opposite way. Basically we can start here with the we can start with a greater value that I can reach in this matrix. In this case is 3. 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 and 4 is 3 because it's starting in 0 0 1 2 3. Okay. What happened if, for example, I have 0, sorry, 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3, and we handle in the opposite way, means that 3 and 3, here is 3, 3 2 1 0, 2 1 0. But in this case the positive way. Okay, what happens if I start here in 0? For example, 0, the next that is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and 6. But isn't the positive? In this case, okay, what happens if I know, for example, the position of these elements, and starting for this, in this case 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, but in this case, okay, I will do the for each the iteration over all the matrix 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, and next is this is I will use another color. 1, what? 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I think that could works. It's basically have the mean value, but I think that is so expensive because, but well, in this moment is my only solution that I have on my first idea. Start here and is 1. Oh, come on. Let me do a little more bigger. Okay. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and well, in this case, this is ignores. No. I need put because if I have more elements, I need cross it. Yeah, okay, 5. Now the next that is the second gate. If I start here, is 0, 1. Let me change the color. Is all for this 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the result I will use this. The minimum number here is 4. Okay. Come on. Here is 4, here is 3, here is 2, here is 1, here is 0, here is 1, here is 2, here is 2, here is 3, 1, and here is 0. Okay, 3, 4, okay. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Yeah, I think that. But it's so expensive. Okay, now let me check what happened if I. Okay, I think that works in this scenario. But what happened? Okay, the gate can be exist. I think that the gate should be exist only in the corner, right? In the corner, in the top, left, left, right, and bottom. Yeah, basically in this area, in this row, in this column, in this row, in this column, and this row. Yeah, because it's a gate. But only to be sure, let me create a test here. Where this less one appear appear here. I think that, oh my gosh, you know what, I will change this for a gate is a 0, sorry, here 0 0 0 0 0. Come on. 0. Okay. This is the first. Here, let me change for a gate. A gate. A gate. Okay, no. The gate can be exist inside this matrix. For example, okay, with this example works, but what happened when you have yeah, in this way, and the blocks basically this is the gate, this is another gate, this is another gate, and this is another gate. Yeah, this is the gates. Now the block or the blocks in this maybe is this, no, in this case it's not right, this, and it's this, right? Okay, let me come back this. And the idea is to start here and move in the direction. For example, the first gate is this, means that this is 0. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here is block. Yeah. No, he's 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. No. If I am applying BFS, no, but in this case I think that with DFS could works. but well, again, 0, 1, 1, to top, no, to bottom, no. Okay, move this to left. No, here is 2, 2, and that's it. Now for this is 2, and that's it. Now here, 3, and stop it. Now this is 3 and stop it, and here is 3 and stop it. Okay, now this 4 and stop. Here is 4 and 4 here. Here is 4, and that's it. Now here is 5. Here is 5, 5 again, and this is 6. Oh no, but I forget the okay, 0, 1, 1. Now is 2, 2, 2. Now here is 3, 3, and that's it. Now this is 4, 3. Now here is 3. Now this is 4, and this is 4, 4. Here is 4, 4, 4, 4. Now here is 5. Here is 5, and here is 6, and that's it. Now the next is this color. Okay, now the black is for this. Now the next stat is this. Start in 0. Now on 1, 1, 1, and 1. Now for this is the 2, the 2, the 2, and 2. Now is the 3, and 2, 2, 2. Here is 3. The 3, 3, 2. Here is 3. Yeah, now is here is the 4. Here is 4. Here is 4. In 5, and that's it. Now the next stat is this color. Okay, this is the black. This where is the 0. Yeah. Okay, now the next stat is this 0. Now here is 1, 1, 1. Now here is 2, 2, 2. Now here is 3, 3, 3. Now here is 4. Two. This is 3. 4. 4. Now is the 5. 5. Yeah, and the last color is this. Is this 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 3, 4. Here is 4 too. 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5. And the 6, it's only that, and this is 7. Okay, and now for the answer, I think that if the minor in this case is 3, in this case is 1, in this case is 1, this case is ignore, this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is ignore, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, here is 1, here is 1. Yeah, I think that could work because, for example, this say that it's 2 slots, is 1, 2. Here say that is 1 this. I don't know, this for example, it's a 1. This. And here is a 1. I think that it's not necessary save here the 4 numbers. It's only with keep the minimum number. Yeah. Now what happened? What happened when you don't have, oh my gosh, many colors? Yeah. What happened if I have this, another one, and I have this blocked, blocked, this blocked, and this blocked. Yeah. And the gate is, for example, here. Yeah, this is the gate. Yeah, and the gate is here. Yeah, do you imagine that this is a gate? Now if I start here, no, I start here, I will move, okay, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, now it's 3, 3, now here is 4, and I can cross. Yeah. Basically for this it's not possible to reach the, oh no, I was thinking that what happened when, for example, you have this obstruction in the path. Yeah, you can cross in this, but it doesn't matter because, for example, for these cases, basically is don't have any gate and start with keep in infinitive, because in any moment I can cross, yeah, and keep as an infinitive. If exists a gate, sorry, I can start the count, but in this case doesn't exist, means that, okay, oh my gosh, it's so expensive, but it's the only solution that I have. First, detect the gates. Yeah, detect the gates here, 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 and start the BFS over these elements, and keep the minimum in the row. Obviously, when is negative or less infinitive, I can change to 0, not to 0, no, to the number of the counter. Yeah. Okay, in this case, okay, Okay, the first is define the directions. In this case, the direction is integer directions and is a matrix. Yeah, and this direction will be defined here, new int, and the direction is left, top, right, and bottom. Yeah, and for this is the left is the first is the row and column. Row, column. Yeah. Row and column. In this case, for the left, row should be have less 1 and 0. The next that is top is 0 and column 1. The next that is bottom is no, sorry, left, top, it's right, here is right. Well, the order doesn't matter, but only for keep the same logic that I use in other problems. Is left to right. In this case, the right, this should be have 1, and this is 0. And the next is the bottom, that is, no, sorry, this is 0, and this is 1. Okay, I am confusing. The first is the row, means that for the top and bottom, in this case is wrong, this is wrong. Here is less 1, it's the left. For the top, this should be have 1. Now for the right, I need move in this direction, that is the column. And for the bottom is basically row less 1 because it's for bottom. Yeah, and column in the 0. Okay, this is the directions. Now the next that is what is the best solution? I am thinking that transversal all the matrix and get the gates and apply this operation, but don't make sense performance this transversal and say the result in a list and blah blah blah, because it's enough only transversal the matrix and only ignore the basically the blocks or the slots that have less 1 or infinity. Yeah, it's basically ignoring all these values, and when you find the 0 that is the gate, start the BFS. Yeah, okay, now here integer I is equal 0, no, integer row is equal 0, meanwhile row it's minor to rooms dot length row plus plus for integer column it's equal 0, meanwhile column it's minor to rooms in the position. Well, this doesn't matter, this can be 0, but I will keep it this way. For integer, why disappear black as a black? Integer r is equal r. Okay, now the next that is if rooms in the position row and column BFS. Yeah, and obviously have these values. Now for this BFS, okay, is here, right here. in the iterative way. Now for this is basically, for example, we start here. It's a gate? No. It's a gate? No. It's a gate? Yeah. Okay, here start with the propagating the minimum number. Yeah, for example, we are here. Now is create a queue. No. Yeah, well, in this case, this don't make sense that keep as a global variable. It's enough with this queue. Oh my gosh, in this case, this queue should be have the pair, the integer with integer. Yeah, because we need no a pair, no int array. Why? Because we need save only the row and the column, and it's enough only with an array. I don't like the pairs. Here q it's equal new linked list. Oh my gosh. Okay, now the next step is I know where is int row and column, right? Here, no, gate. In this case, this is the gate, and is while q. No, one moment. Here is 0. You know what? When happen this situation where it's a gate here, I should be ignore this, yeah, because in other way I will overwrite the value and lose the gate, yeah. In this case, while q is empty but negative, is validate the directions integer there. Oh, I need a function that help me to determine if I can move in this direction. In this case, private boolean is valid move. What means that? Means that is inside the map or the matrix, and is free slot. Free slot is that is possible. No, is path. Path is basically the white space. Yeah, when happen this, I can move in this direction. Yeah, basically. And here is integer row, integer column, and here is return. I need the size of these elements. Integer m, it's equal integer m, integer row, integer col, and here is row, it's equal come on, it's equal rooms dot length, col, it's equal rooms in the position 0 dot length. Here is a row, it's minor, row it's greater equal 0, and row it's minor equal row, and col it's graded equal command 0, and column it's minor equal col, and well, it's enough with this. Inside the map, and the path I can move, I can validate here. Yeah, here this direction, or there it's equal directions. Now here, what is my Twitch? Channel. Okay. Now, in this case, this is the directions, and is validate. The first is if, what is the name of the function? Is valid move. Direction is valid direction. In this case, integer a it's equal x plus d in the position 0, and b that represent this is the column, and this is the column, new column, yeah, new row, and this is this is row, this is column, there is the position this and this, and is new row, yeah, new row, new call, yeah, this should be this new direction. For example, if I am here and I want to move in this direction, it's not possible because it's out of the map. Yeah, basically it is return false and don't execute nothing. But in the case that, for example, I am here and I need move to this, or for example to left, I need validate that this direction is a path. Path means that the white space, yeah. This case is false, don't make anything. For up, I need keep the increasing one, yeah. In this case, is it's a valid direction, and rooms in the position new row, new call, it's different. It's different to a gate, and it's different to blocks. Yeah. In this case, the wall is less one, and my gosh, this solution is so verbose. And different to gate, yeah. And in this case, okay, when is a path, basically here is this is a path. When is a path, I need validate if this value it's equal to infinitive. I think that it's integer. Let me check. Integer dot max value Java. I think that it's this number. Yeah. In this case, when is integer dot max value when it's equal this, rooms blah 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 blah, it's equal I need a counter here. But how can I track this number? Okay, again. I am here. Yeah, I detect this. Got it. I add, and I will start moving in these directions. In this case, this direction is to left, not to right. Yeah, in the right I have the right direction is valid. Yeah, rooms in the position this and this, it's different. And it's different. Yeah, means that when it's this, I change the number to 1. Yeah, and here is no, because for example, if I am here, yeah, and I move to down, this is the max value or less infinitive, and I can change to 1 because I need half the value to this plus 1. Oh, I think that I need create another matrix with the same size, and only have here, for example, in the gate is 0. Okay, now the next should we have oh no, it's not necessary because I am using DFS basically. Where is it's here. For example, in this case, and I forget to start this counter. Okay, for example, if I am here and I am using BFS, I know that is the 0. Yeah, it's the 0. I only need a counter 0. Okay, add is the 0. Now the next is this, and that's it. Means that is plus 1. Now in the next iteration is 1. Here is the value is this plus 1 is 2, and that's it. Now it's 2. I need only a counter because we know that in which iteration we are. Yeah, and now here is integer counter. It's equal 0 because in this moment it's we detect the gate, and here is basically for directions. Here is counter plus 1. Yeah, and this is basically here, but instead this is mat.min between counter plus 1 and the value of this element. In this case is the same the first time, but in the second iteration or in the next iteration, these values are different. Yeah, and where counter it's here. Counter plus plus and when it's a valid direction, I should be add in the queue. Okay, start here is 0. This I move only this direction. Well, the first direction is right. Is here. Is infinitive. Oh, this is mean value. Sorry, this is mean because it's negative. Ah no. Infinity means that no. I was right. It's max. When is this? In this case, is counter that is 0 plus 1 is 1. Now the minimum between 1 and 1 is 1, and I add this in the queue. In which moment I will here. Integer temp, not temp, no, is slot, it's equal q to dot remove. Yeah, in this is slot in the position 0, slot in the position 1. I did I don't should use this air in C in this context, because in this context is the element that I need to remove from the queue. Yeah. Okay, that I think that was only thing. Let me check. Compile error. What? Rooms in the index C. Sure. When is equal 0. The 0 is the gate, right? Okay, let me check if I have more. New call. It's new column. New column, new column, new column, new column. I think that it was more easily only change the variable, but well. What else? Incompatibility can convert. What? Here. Why Q? It's because it's yeah, I need to add here. No, this is wrong. It's new int, new row, new call. Yeah. Column. Oh my gosh. Column. Why is wrong? Row it should be minor equal to this. Is for this is less 1 is 1 because are indices. What is happening? Why is different to empty? Slot remove. The directions slot that is this in the position data is valid. New row. Here is wrong. This is 0 and this is 1. So first one. Row 0 1 linear row, new column, row, new row, new row, new column. It's different to wall and different to a gate. This is a bad. Oh, I need to valid where element I will. Yeah, makes sense because I have the right logic, but for example, I am here and I move in this direction, and it is not to down, yeah, and now this, well, in this case, don't move in any direction, but this move in this direction and in this direction, right? Now the next step is this, and move in this direction again. I need to discard the option that will be seen before, and this is basically with a scene set hash set of string scene, sorry, it's equal new hash set, and well, this will be restart every time that I check this, and here is basically scene.add, and the way to transform this is basically row plus comma plus column, yeah, and with this we can be sure that don't keep transversal forever the matrix here is no, it's not here, is here, slot, no, even here, slot plus slot in the position 0 and a slot in the position 1, that represent the row and the column, okay, and the directions, and here I need to validate that n since contains, but with negative obviously, the oh my gosh, is here it's a new row and new column, yeah, but as a string here in the comma here. Well, at least works with both, with two. But with this, what is happening? put 5 and 7. 5 and 7. In this I put 5 and 7. Why? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Why 5 and 7? Maybe it's for the counter. What do you think? Will be the counter, or why this number appear as a 5 and 7? 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But in this case it's 5 and 7. Why is 5 and 7? Method counter. One, 2, 2, 3, and 3. Why? Oh my gosh, I don't know. What is this? Is 5 and 7. What happened when I can move in any direction? No, but in this direction is possible. Why? 7. Okay. Let me check. Okay. We transversal all the matrix. Here it's a gate. No, it's a gate. No, it's a gate. Yeah, it's a gate. Now here I start the counter in 0, add in the queue, restart the scene list, and add this current as a scene. Yeah, and now queue is empty. No, because we have one element. We remove this element with the gate in this case, and I mark as a scene. And now in the direction, in this case the first direction is left, but it's a block. Don't do anything. Now to bottom is out of the map. In the right that is less is this. Yeah, it's valid. It's not less 1 and it's not 0. Yeah, it's not a wall and it's not a gate, and hasn't been seen before. Yeah. Okay, row in this and this, it's equal max value. Yeah, it's equal max value because it's infinitive, or what is the word? Infinity. Infinity. And its counter, that is counter is 0 plus 1 is 1, and now rows in the position new row in new column, that is this, it's equal method mean counter plus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, or the value that had previously, that in this case is the same while keeping 1, and I add this in the list. Okay, now for the bottom I have the same counter. This counter is inside this. Yeah. Yeah, in this case is 1 and 1. Now this I can move in any direction. Now this go to this side, to left is 2, to bottom is 2, to right is not possible. Wow, I don't know. Makes sense that my code, but what is happening, or why appear these values? That is represent the last row. 0 gate wall 5. I don't. I can see the error. Okay, let me debug. I hope that can be doing, because this debug failed many times. But well, okay. Is the first problem? Is the first problem. Now I have this. Now the Q. The next that is scene 0 and 2. That 0 is 0 in 0, 1, 2 here. Yeah, we are here. Now okay, 0, 2, and the new direction is for left. In this case is false. Now top is false because it's in the limit. Oh wow. New row, what is the value of new row? New row is 1. New column is for bottom. Okay, let me check the directions. Left, less 1. Top row it should be increased. Right, the column should be increased. The bottom should be reduced, the row. No, it's okay. Now the bottom, in this case, for example, is empty. Here is this. Is empty. Yeah, is. Oh, no. And is empty should be at the 1. This counter. That counter should be 0 plus 1, 1. And this is 1, and I add this value. Now the next is, what is the next direction? New row 0 and column 3 in the to the right. Yeah, in this case is this this space. Basically I add here this, and next to is this. Okay, and I don't have more direction basically. Yeah, and counter increasing 1. Okay, I think that what is counter room? Increasing 1. Now I should be remove this. Yeah, in this, and now in the left is 2, In the bottom I can't. To the right is a wall, and to the bottom should be increased. 1 plus 1 is 2. The first direction is left. Oh my. The is left, it's valid. It's negative because it's the first time. Yeah. In counter, I can bet that is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Yeah, makes sense. And add. Okay, now the next, we're here. The next is top. The next is row 2 in column 2. 2 and 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, here. Yeah, to bottom. In this case, it's valid. Yeah, it's valid, but it's negative. Well, it's a max. I can, and that's it. Now here, don't have more directions. And counter, increasing 1. Yeah, now I am in the 2. 2 and 2. Yeah. Now the next step is this. Yeah, even if I see the slot, what is the slot? 0 and 3. 0 here and 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 here. Oh, yeah. In this case, for example, don't have any direction. Yeah. Now I think it's for this, because in this moment, for example, no, while, okay, I think that this is the error. Why return to this? In this moment, I should be use the 2 and not the 1. Okay, let me check where I am. Slot 0 and 3. 0 and 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. I am here. Why? I think that is for the counter, but why? Okay, let me use this. Okay, if I have this is 0, and the counter is sign 0, means that here I have the value of 1. Counter is equal 0, is 1 and 1. Now the next stat is this, and this increasing 1. Now this move to this direction is counter plus 1 is 2, and this counter plus 1 is 2. Yeah. Oh gosh. Sorry, I'll be back. Um, Let me check. Maybe I am moving wrong. Okay, the first is transversal this. When I search a gate, that is this. I start the counter in 0, add this in the queue. I initialize the hash set and add this slot as a visit. I iterate over the queue. I remove the element. I increase. I mark as a visit. And now I move in the directions, and if this direction is valid, no. For this, no. For this, yeah, it's inside the map or inside the matrix. It's not a gate and it's not a wall and hasn't been seen before. Yeah, in this case I need as is max value. Yeah, is counter plus 1, is 0 plus 1 is 1. And now rooms in the index, new row, new column, it's equal method mean between counter plus 1 and rooms, and well, the value, and I add this value of this slot in the queue, and it's the same with this. Okay, if I add here, and here I check this. Okay, I think that I am at here. Okay, I found this gate. Next to is I detect this and detect this, and we have the counter is in 0. Finish, and counter is 1. Now is this, and end, and counter is 2. Yeah, it's for this. Okay, let me replicate. In this case, for example, I am returning 5 and 7. Why? Because 0. Now add here and here. Now this is 1. Add here and here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's for this counter. I need iterate only is with the size. I forget the size. You know, when you are using BFS, you need for calculate every level, or no calculate every level, for every iteration should be no, how can I explain that? In the BFS, basically you need validate or go level by a level, but who know how many elements are in the level 2, in the level 3, in the level 4? Well, it's with the size. Yeah, in this case here, while this, and here I need another, I think, here is integer size, it's equal it's equal 1 because it's the first, and no, is here. This is inside a while, and this while is basically integer size, it's equal q dot size, okay, and here it's equal 0, meanwhile I is minor to size, I plus plus, and it's doing this. Integer size. Where? Ah, here. Was for this. Okay. No. Damn. I need optimize this. Oh my gosh, 61 of 62. Yeah, because basically I am searching this and moving in all the direction. Now the next. Do you imagine that this is another wall? Is moving this direction. I think I can reduce the time in this performance when I perform this operation, where, for example, if I have a gate here, let me explain you. For example, do you imagine that one moment. Oh my gosh. Here. Yeah, do you imagine that this is our please ignore this, right? Okay. Now, do you imagine that currently the algorithm works, but the problem is that, okay, I detect this, I start with the with 0, 1, 1, now is 2, and that's it, 3, and that's it, 4, 4, and that's it, and this is less 1, less 1. Now, for example, okay, I continue, and when I search this, I will again this transversal, yeah, 0, 1, 2, yeah, basically where I search if the new row and new column for example, I am here. If the next row and column have the same result that the current, that the counter plus 1 in the value, I can avoid this operation. Because for example, this is 0. If I start here, this is 0, 1. Now this is 2. Now this, I am transversal again, and don't make sense because you know that if it is the same value, you will be receive the same result. Yeah. Okay. Let me. Well, I think that is too much, but this case time line exceeds test. Okay, here I need an extra validation here, and no, it's before here. Before to start with the directions, no, it's here. It's here. And row this, the value of this element, it's different to counter plus 1. And okay, I think that it's enough with this, but I hope finally it's not the best solution but works. BFS solution, no, solution using BFS Java. I think that is with the DFS is possible to do it, but well, I choose this. Okay, I spend maybe 1 hour with 10 minutes. But well, I enjoy it. Walls and gates. Okay, I will check the. Yeah, this is not a good BFS accepted. Oh, I think that I will. I did a lot code BFS. Rooms plus 1. Rooms plus 1, but why? The first iterate to get all the gates, and next to is for every gate. Plus 1. But in which moment avoid the infinitive direction if rooms is different to empty. What is empty? Is this continue? Okay, I definitely I have too much work, too much code here. Uh-huh. But I have it though because gate 0. This is 0. And the new direction is this and this. Okay, we have the gates. Now we get the first gate. Row and column have the position, and now it's the direction, blah blah blah. Validate if it's not a wall. But what happened if I search, if I found another gate? I don't know. Obviously, it's more clear, but I have to know what happened when search another gate. Don't make sense. Continue in this direction. Yeah, I don't know. I will submit this because I have the curiosity to know what is the result of the performance of this algorithm. It's less code, but I don't feel comfort. Don't validate the next gate. In my case, I am validate for this reason. Mm-hmm. Okay, let me submit this. Oh, oh. What is the new solution? Mm. Oh, okay. I need to do inside them this. I only want to know the performance. Oh my gosh, it's much better than mine here. Hmm. Well, I think that I will study, but at least I can resolve or I can solve. Well, it's enough for this session. Thanks for following this transmission, and I will see you in the next. Bye bye.